Hello everyone, this is SKYWORTH Global Marketing Department Training Group. This is Jerry. Sales point in hand, sales go inside. Today, we're going to show you how to use the function of Art Time. Now, let's go. First step, open the Art Time app in your apps. Second step, you can check there are totally 5 types of wallpaper options. There are Art Gallery, AI Painting, Wipe Space, Live Moments, and Family Zone. In Art Gallery, we have so many famous masterpieces in the world. There are Van Gogh's landscapes, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Louvre Museum, Monet's Impressions, and the Palace Museum. In AI Painting, we have AI Wallpaper and AI Painting. With AI Painting, we can customize the wallpaper in our own style by AI. In Wipe Space, we have a world in a view and living masterpiece. In Live Moments, we have holidays, which will be updated with the different holidays, like Christmas Day, Thanksgiving Day, and even birthday. In Family Zone, we have my photo wall template, family album, and Google Photos. In this part, you can upload your photos in your phone to make a dedicated photo wall in your house. Third step, the TV itself will automatically do what you need. Okay, this is all the information for today. See you next time. Bye bye.